material. Let's go and find out what beautiful model or style can come out of this. So let's go. I've gone ahead to cut the various parts and the various tucks because I want it to have a curved shape like a bodice. So this is the front. The dress is going to be open in the front, so and the person does not want extra material in front, like when you're making a shirt and it overlaps, so the front is going to be very straight. So now the downer part, the skirt, I folded the material to a right angle a right angle triangle, and the waist is 40, so I have to divide this into 10. I have to cut the waistline around 10, so that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, done. Let me cut it off, and that is our skirt. It's not a round 180 degrees. Okay, here we go. Let's get down to business. So this is the front, and I have ironed some light stiff on it. The stiff is very light. I don't want it to be so strong in front, so we join the shoulders. That's done. Okay, I'll be using ropes in front, so those are the ropes I've already made. So I'm using the same material as lining, so I sewed double. I sewed the top double, so I've joined the shoulder and the neckline and the armhole together. So this is how it looks. So you see, front and inside and outside is the same. Because I want my work to be very neat, so I'm going to be sewing everything from inside. So this is how it looks. I'll be joining the sides. I'll be joining the sides from inside. So I'll take the exact measurement of the person, and then I'll then sew it from inside. As you can see, this is how it looks. So I join the sides from inside. Very neat. I want it to be very neat and nicely done. I'm going to proceed now to add the downer part. So the flare, I'll be adding the flare on it. Not to bore you with the sewing, I'll just sew it, then I'll show you how the dress looks. So this is the beautiful petticoat style gown, or petticoat gown kind of style, because it doesn't have sleeves, it doesn't have collars, so the top is more like a petticoat and with a flare, like a flare gown. So here's how it looks, and the person that has this is going to be wearing something inside very nice and molang, and then you wear this on top. So this is the final product. Very nice and beautiful and easy to wear, easy to go, very classy. Let me show you the details. This particular dress, I really love it because I took my time and I did everything from the inside. So this is where the curve for the bodice comes in. So very beautifully done. Everything is neat, nice and perfect. I really enjoyed doing this. I really enjoyed doing it. You can see the details. The details is very nice and neat. And this is the back view. Very perfect. It just lays on the shoulder and the back. So the dress was perfectly done in a professional way. I'm enjoying my work. I'm enjoying my work. It's very nice. I like the way the shoulder is just lying down. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye next time.